Friends, welcome back to the Z-Tech channel, and today I'm going to unbox these AirPods third generation that are being announced by the Apple a few days back. So I was eager to buy them and to unbox them, so to let you know guys how they basically look like. So you can see that they are very premium. They have a very unique style that basically actually fits into your ears very well. So I'm not sure they looks very well. They are very modified, and so let's see how they work. And they are actually seat back, you can see that. And the price basically that I bought them for is 239 Canadian dollars. Yeah, you have me right. Okay, so let's do and unbox these. If you are new to this channel, so kindly hit the subscribe button and like and share this video, so maximum people can watch this, blah blah blah. So let's go to work. So okay guys, you can see that these are AirPods magsafe charging case, and there's nothing on the box, logo and some instructions. And you can see the seal, and okay, so let's go and unbox them. So I can see the seal over here, so I think we don't need anything like that. Okay, so here's the box. So you can see that designed by Apple in California. These are some documents, AirPods, how to connect to the phone, blah blah things, so you don't need it. Or you can keep it for okay. Here are my babies. So there's so there's something, that's charging cable that is a type C, USB. So you need a adapter, and if I believe that you have an adapter to connect this. Okay, so here's a cute box, and I'm just going to open this. And when you open these, the lights is going to turn on, so that shows they are so beautiful. All right, okay, so actually they are kind of cute, and yes, and you can see that. So they have a sensor just like the AirPods Pro, and they are kind of cute. So I'm going to connect them with my iPhone, and I'm going to check the sound quality for you, and I'm going to share my views about these beautiful AirPods third generation. So you can see that how. So now you can see that how betterly and they are fit into my ear, and there's no, you can see there is no falling. So I'm pretty comfortable with these ones. Okay, and the sound quality is really nice. So I'm not sure about the battery of this. so I'll check the try them for use them for 3 or 4 days, and then after that I'll make a probably a new video. So I believe you like them, and I really I'm totally comfortable with these, seriously. So I'm going to use them for like a couple of days, and I'll see the battery life of these, and I'll probably make a new video. So if you want me to make a new video on the battery life of these AirPods the third generation, so please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel. And this thing basically keeps motivating me to make the new content for you guys. So hope to see you soon.